Hold on, hold on. Right, here's the heron who thinks he's a duck. Eating the goals. He does this every day. Bread can't be good for him, but he seems to like it. There's millions of Canada geese here.
Just get him! Just get him!
There you go. Got a bit of bread there. And now he's starving to eat it.
You get the goal. Yeah, I'll do the goal. Take the bread out now.
Okay, and then I'll get the goal, taking a bit of bread here. There you go. Oh, missed that. I'll try and get another one. There you go.